Greetings, I'm Solla Pizzuto, Universal Healing Tao instructor, Nei Tsang and Karsai specialist and teacher here at the Tao Garden in Chiang Mai, Thailand.
And I'm Dr. Leonard McGill. I'm the structural chakra integration therapist here at Tao Garden. I usually am here December, January, and February in the winter months.
And also you are a visiting chiropractor.
Yes, well, I've been a chiropractor for 28 years.
Yeah.
But when I came to Tao Garden 5 years ago, I learned the cosmic healing, which is the Taoist form of energy work.
Yep.
So I started to incorporate that into my chiropractic sessions. And then I learned the Chinese Taoist, which is the abdominal massage work, the energy abdominal massage work. So I incorporated that in, and then I just made up my own technique, which is structural chakra integration therapy.
Yeah, what I find unique, Leonard, about your therapies, your sessions, is that how you integrate all of these other modalities in a medical setting, and yet you have infused also the Eastern philosophies, you know, and some alternative healing philosophies like Reiki, for example, right? And the chakra clearing, you know, the energy work, and the Chinese Taoist, which I'm passionate about.
I know you are, yeah.
And
which you should be. It's awesome.
It's tremendous. And you know, like yourself, you know, in the medical community, lots of acupuncturists, a lot of physical therapists, a lot of nurses, a lot of physicians are actually incorporating Chinese Taoist in their therapy sessions.
Yes.
In their private practices. So how are you utilizing it, and what kind of benefits do you see in your patients after receiving this integrated work, including the Chinese Taoist?
Well, for one thing, being at Tao Garden is awesome to practice, and because the patients are generally getting other therapies as well. They might be doing meditation classes, they might be doing the Chinese Taoist outside of my treatments, they're getting massaged, and there's so many wonderful treatments here.
Yeah.
So what I do just works so much better here because people are getting a lot of different treatments at the same time.
Yeah.
I had a patient come in this week. She was a woman from Switzerland, and she said she'd been in pain her entire life. She never remembers a day without pain in her life. I saw her first, but then she had all the treatments, and she was taking the steams and going swimming. And she came in yesterday and she said, for the first time in my life, I don't have pain. And she was looking forward to going home and giving her boyfriend a big hug because he couldn't do that before.
Wow.
So that's the sort of thing that happens here. It's magical.
Yeah, it is.
So what I find with the Chinese Taoist, incorporating that in, and the chakra balancing as well, is that in chiropractic, we're working with the nervous system. It's a very scientific, you know, you can measure nerve flow through a nerve. You know, put needles in, you can measure it. But that's just one energy system in the body. The Chinese Taoist is working with the meridian system. That's another energy system in the body. And the chakra balancing, that's another energy system in the body. So in my treatments, I'm working with 3 different energy systems, as well as the structure. You know, if a bone is out of place, needs to go back into place. You know, can do Reiki on it all day, it's not going to move the bone for the most part. You know, there are exceptions, right? So what I find is that when patients come off the table, not only are they more structurally aligned, but their energy is just flowing. And usually people will say, wow, I feel lighter, I feel looser, and we get wonderful results with it.
Right.
You know?
And so in terms of Chinese Taoist, you do your own self-Chinese Taoist on yourself.
You know, outside my treatments, of course,
Yeah.
Sure,
And that's one of the things to keep us practitioners in good health, is that we utilize the Chinese Taoist methods to heal our own body and work on our own organ system.
Well, Master Chia's system is so great because, I mean, it is such a complete system, you know, and it really teaches you how to be your own doctor.
Yeah.
So it's just totally awesome. But I love being here. I love working here, and I love incorporating these different things. I'll probably start incorporating other things as I go along because there's so much to learn here.
Yeah, I truly feel like, you know, the old saying is, an apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Right.
However, I feel like Chinese Taoist daily keeps the doctor away.
It does. And, you know, just another Chinese Taoist story. I had another patient this week, and she had recurring breast cancer. But she hadn't had a natural bowel movement for 2 years. She just got in the habit of giving herself enemas. So anyway, first Chinese Taoist treatment, first bowel movement in 2 years, natural bowel movement.
Yes,
and
yeah.
she was just like blown away.
Yeah. I've had similar experiences, testimonies from patients and clients that I've had worked on through the years. Yeah, it's
It
amazing,
is truly amazing.
isn't it?
I'll tell you my personal story.
Yeah.
My first Chinese Taoist treatment that I had here, I woke up in the middle of the night around 2 o'clock in the morning, and I sat up and I was just feeling my body, and I said, I feel 10 years younger. It was so weird, just sitting up and feeling the energy moving in my body. It was amazing. So that I was sold immediately.
Yeah. It's a complete system here that we have at the Universal Healing Tao, with the movement meditation, the Qigong, the Daoyin, the Tai Chi. There's always a balance of the yin and the yang, and that concept and philosophy is incorporated in the Chinese Taoist modality, isn't it?
And what I like is you're such a good advertisement for it. It's like talk about radiant health.
Oh, thank you. Well, so are you.
Thank you.
How long? We've known each other now for like
probably 5 years.
I would say even more than that. And I say, you don't look a day any older than when I met you 6 years ago.
I appreciate that.
And
Thank
it's
you.
and this is kind of like what happens, for us folks here that practice and really start to embody the teachings.
Well, every once in a while, Master Chia will come in for a treatment. I mean, it's not often, but every once in a while, he's been traveling a lot, and he's just got maybe a little soreness going on here or there. And when I work on Master Chia, it's like working on an 18-year-old, like a healthy 18-year-old. It's like working on a football player who's 18 years old. It's amazing.
It really is.
The guy he definitely walks the talk.
And I so admire that, because like many of us here at the Tao Garden, we really do embrace these disciplines. And what do they always say? Good chi, good food.
Yes.
Good air and good intention and good loving.
Oh, there you go. Love that.
Thank you.
Thank you, Solla.